Alright, y'all, this gonna be the simplest, easiest video on my channel. This gonna be the most easy video. I'm about to simplify everything. I'm gonna show you how to record yourself on FL Studio. We're gonna get right into it. Okay, look, I'm gonna break everything down for y'all. The first thing you obviously need is a laptop with FL Studio on it. That's the first step. Second step is you need a Focusrite or an interface. Okay, so look, I broke everything down for y'all. You need to plug this cord that goes from the microphone into here, the front. So you gotta find where it matches up, click it in. Boom. So after that, you will need to put this cord from the back into here. Come on, too easy. Okay, then after that, you will need to put this cord into here. You will hear that sound. That's how you know it's ready to get down. After that, the last step, I almost forgot. You need to plug the headphones into, and this is how you know. This is how you know it's working. It's picking up sound. If you see that light go off, mic check, mic check. That's how you know it's working. After that, you see this part where it got the headphones emoji. You want to put that in here. Now you're locked in. Now you put the headphones in here yourself. Now after everything's already set up right here, you have to go into the computer. I'm in FL Studio, man. For my mic, it's pretty much different for everybody's mic, but for my mic, I have to push input 1. After that, you gotta make sure you know it's going up and down. You know, you gotta make sure you see that orange. You gotta see that orange, man. So after you see the orange, you could go down here, make sure that this is on, this red button, and at the top by the tempo, you know, gotta push record. Then you also gotta push song right here. After you push song, you start recording. Yeah, they want to hear me spit something crazy. I said, okay, she spit me down and now I'm lazy. I said, okay, hold on, I'm about to make some money. I said, hold on, it ain't funny, I'm really the true monkey. Really the true monkey. And if you mess with me, just promise it get funky. Yeah, I promise it get funky. We in the, hold on, acting like some monkeys. Yeah, but yeah, we gone. That's pretty much the tutorial. That's all I want to say to y'all. But if y'all got some ideas, drop it in the comment section. I'm gonna let y'all know whatever. And I'm coming hard for y'all. No Diddy. But yeah, man, I'm gone. That's pretty much the end of the tutorial.